Would you like to design your home like a professional? Or perhaps you're looking for a career change and love the idea of being an interior designer? My name is Dawn and I've been designing professionally for over 10 years under my own company, and I've worked with hundreds of clients and other professionals in that time. There are a lot of people out there who want to design their own homes but just don't know where to start. They understand the value of a professionally designed home, but they wouldn't necessarily want to hire an interior designer to do it for them. That's why I've created Design with Dawn, which is a series of workshops showing you how to design your own home like a professional would. Using my step-by-step approach, you will have complete control to design the home you desire. I cover all the stages that I go through when designing for my own clients, but I'll be designing alongside you for my own newly bought house. I'll be showing you how I created my home within a budget with tips and tricks on how to make the house look professional quality. I've broken this course up into a series of mini workshops so that you can pick and choose what you want to learn. For instance, from my first principles workshop, you might want to know how to draw a to-scale plan, but not how to create a mood board. Or you might be interested in how to work with colour, but not how to redesign your lighting and electrical scheme. The series is designed to enable you to keep adding to your skill set and to tailor the workshops to your own design needs. There's even a few freebie workshops to help get you started. So if you're doing a renovation and want to know how to make it the best it can possibly be, then click the link below. I look forward to helping you create your perfect home.